Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Okay, so we are going to take these examples under directed numbers. How do we solve this? First of all, you solve the signs, the bracket. This becomes 11p plus 14q minus brackets minus is the same as plus 7q plus brackets minus 10p. What do you do next? You regroup. This is P, this is P. So we can write it as 11P minus 10P plus 14Q plus 7Q. 11P minus 10P. 11 minus 10 is 1. So we write it as P, though it is 1P. We make the 1 invisible, plus 14Q plus 7Q gives us 21Q. And that is the result of the first one. Now the second one, so we have two different alphabets here and a constant. How do we solve? We start by rearranging or regrouping them. Okay, so in regrouping, we bring all the m's together. That becomes 10m plus 3m plus m. We are done with m. Then the next is n, and this is negative 2n. Negative 2n minus 8n. Is there any other n? Yes. Minus n plus 2. Then 10m plus 3m plus m. These are similar terms because they have the same variable. We can add or subtract them. So 10m plus 3m gives us 13m plus this m here is 1m, though the one is not visible. So 13 plus 1, 14m. Okay, so this is negative 2 minus negative 8, sorry, minus 8 minus n, 8n. All right, so you are owing 2n, you are owing another person 8n, you are owing the last person 1n. So negative 2n minus 8n is negative 10n, minus 1n gives us negative 11n, and plus 2. So these have n, these have m, this does not have any alphabet. So at this point, there is nothing we can do about it. Reason being that they are not similar. This becomes the final answer. Okay, now looking at the C part. So we know that negative times negative gives us what? Positive. So this question can be rewritten in case you see it in another form. It can as well be written as negative 3 bracket negative 15 all over positive 3. So negative bracket negative, though there is a number in between, the principle still holds. Negative times negative gives us positive. So we can say this is positive. Now we can multiply numbers. So we multiply signs first before we multiply numbers. Okay, so 3 times 15 gives us 45. So the result there becomes positive 45 divided by 3. Okay, this 3 is also positive. Positive divided by positive will still give you positive. So the result is positive 15. And positive 15 can as well be written as 15 without adding any sign. Okay, now looking at the next one, which is D. So this is minus 36 times negative 4. As I stated earlier, even if we remove this multiplication sign, it is still the same question. Okay, so whether there is multiplication or not is still the same question. So here becomes negative multiplied because parenthesis or bracket, whichever way you call it, means multiplication. So negative multiplied by negative gives us positive. Okay, and we now go by 36 times 4. 36 times 4 should give us 144. Okay, so 144 all over negative 24. Okay, so if we check, positive divided by negative is what? Is negative. Anytime negative and positive goes in a fight, negative always comes out victorious. And this gives us what? Okay, positive. The result is going to be positive. Now there are many ways to divide. Okay, so we can divide by 12. 144 is a multiple of 12. So 144 divided by 12 will give us what? 12 all over 24 divided by 12 gives us what? 2. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. So the result is what? 6. All right, now looking at the next, negative multiplied by positive gives us negative. 8 times 5 is 40 over negative 10. So negative divided by negative is positive, and the result becomes positive 4, which can as well be written as 4. Okay, so the F part, I'm leaving that for you to solve. So send the answer of the question number F. Send the answer on the comment section below. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.